Installation and operation tutorial for S100 pipeline inspection robot S100. Step 1. Install the camera head. First, use a hex screwdriver to remove the locking block of the camera head. Align the positioning pin of the camera with the round hole on the main body, insert it, and secure it firmly without any looseness. Reinstall the locking block. Tighten the screws. The camera head installation is complete. Step 2. Install the cable reel battery. First, release the battery compartment latch on the cable reel. Place the battery into the compartment. Make sure the lifting strap is facing downward when placing the battery. Re-secure the locking block. Align the battery's protruding slot with the groove of the cable reel connector and insert. Tighten to secure. Step 3. Connect the industrial controller to the cable reel. First, release the connection cable on the cable reel. Place the controller in a suitable position and power it on. Remove the protective cap from the cable end. Align the red dot on the cable end with the red dot on the controller and insert. A slight click sound indicates it is locked in place. Step 4. Connect the robot to the cable reel. First, remove the locking block at the rear of the robot. Insert the fixing clip of the cable reel into the rear slot of the robot. Ensure the spring cable is facing upward. Reinstall the locking block. Finally, align the connector with the notch on the rear socket of the robot and insert it firmly. The installation and connection are now complete. Step 5. Power on the cable reel. Switch on the power and then release the emergency stop. The robot's camera head will perform a self-check and the lights will turn on. Then, power on the controller. Take out the mouse for operation. Remove the USB connector from the mouse and insert it into the corresponding port on the controller. Next, proceed with robot control operations. Locate the robot control software on the desktop and double-click to open it. Double-click in the password input box to display the default password. Click the Confirm button. Then click the green Connect button in the bottom right corner. The startup connection is complete. Click D+ to move the robot forward. Click Stop to stop the robot. Click R+ to move the robot backwards. Hold the left mouse button on the slider and move it up or down. This allows the robot to move forward or backward. Click the left arrow to turn left. Click the right arrow to turn right. B+ and V adjust the forward and reverse speed levels. The small slider on the left adjusts the steering sensitivity. Click FL+ or FL- to adjust the brightness of the lights. Click the rotation button on the left wheel to rotate the camera axially. Click the up and down arrow buttons on the left wheel to rotate the camera radially. Click the center RST button to reset the camera. Click the Rec button to record video. Next, turn on the handheld control box. A flashing blue light indicates a successful connection. The handheld control box can also be used to operate the robot. Finally, when the robot operation is completed and the cable needs to be retrieved, use the crank handle to wind the cable back. The installation and operation of the S100 pipeline inspection robot are now complete.